sabi ng horse? Nene. How about the cat? Ano sabi ng cat? Ay, ganun. Anong sabi ng dog? Poof, poof. Ganon. Eh, yung kangaroo, ang sabi ng kangaroo? Ay, ganun ba? Sabi? Ito. Ang sabi ng horse? Nene. How about the cow? Moo. Chicken. Anong sabi ng chicken? Ang sabi ng pig? Oink, oink. Ganon. Anong sabi daw ng chicken? Klok, 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 klok. Ganon. Yung frog. Anong sabi ng frog? Ribbit, ribbit. Mommy frog, baby frog. The frog is eating flies. This frog is jumping on lily pads. This chicken is eating grain. Yum! This white chicken is with its chick. Mommy chicken and baby chicken.
Galing, no, ni Deon. Can you